Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok account region after creating your account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type TikTok. Once your TikTok app is updated, simply open it. Then go to your profile at the bottom right. After that, click on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're there, go to Account, then tap on Account Information. Here, you can see the region, which you can change from this menu. Let's change it to the United States and see what happens. Keep in mind, you need to be in the United States for at least 60 days to make this change. So, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon.